Have you seen these funny looking candles? These are called 7-Up candles and represent stages, steps, or layers in your journey towards achieving a specific goal. The 7-Up candle is also called the wishing candle. It's all about progress. Each knob represents a step in your journey. Whether it's 7 days, 7 wishes, or 7 obstacles you're working to overcome. Burn one knob at a time while focusing on your specific intention. It's a powerful way to bring steady, step-by-step change. The cat image candle is a symbol of independence, mystery, and spiritual protection. When you light a cat-shaped candle, you're calling on the energy of this mystical animal to aid in your intention. Use cat candles for protection, luck, and prosperity. It also works to help with your intuition, wisdom, and love and attraction. The cross candle is a symbol of faith, protection, and spiritual strength. These are commonly used in prayers, blessings, and rituals seeking divine guidance. If you're dealing with heavy burdens or crossroads in life, lighting a cross candle while saying a heartfelt prayer can help find clarity and peace. Using image candles in your spiritual practice is simple, but the magic comes from your intention and energy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with a like-minded friend. Let me know in the comments which ritual are you most excited to try. Until next time, stay blessed, stay positive, and stay original.